I'm thankful for the harshest wind that keeps me leaning up against your skin. Your skin. I'm thankful for the darkest clouds that makes your sun feel brighter now and then again. I'm grateful for my broken heart so I can rearrange the parts brand new for you. I'm thankful for the coldest cold that leaves me basking in your glowing view. It's you. Oh, the hard times only bring me closer, only bring me closer to you.
Time to pack up. Yeah, wind and rain and cold.
Closer to you.
I have to change order of some things in order to make it so that the new quick set can be the last thing that we put in, so that we have a drying place out of the way to put to stage stuff. Get everything quick. It's all pre-packed. The stove and oven done. She's pretty much packed up the pantry. Probably move that in there now, but the next big thing that has to go in is the cooler. We need to drain it and stuff as many little things into it as we can. The temperature 40, 45, 46 around there. Celsius, if you can see that. It's like about 9 degrees Celsius. These are all going straight from the tent here. Keep everything nice and dry. Keep this closed between.
Back time. Arrange stuff. That's so calm, lake. But not bad. Take it thunder forward. Say goodbye to black lake.
What's this person doing?
Oh, they're leaving too.
Yeah. Our wonderful neighbors.
Lids are almost done. Let's go because up north is snowing.
It's all empty up here.
Let's get out of here. Oh yeah. Even down there. Did you see one? I thought I see one camper at the end, but
So yeah, I see nobody.
everybody. Let's get out of this freezing lake. It's gonna check every 1 p.m.
A million ways to be in the heart where I fall apart. So, what I feel and what I know can't agree on anything, but it hurts to let go. Can you see I'm trying? All I want is to live.
Destination home, jeans. $255 miles to go. Almost 4 hours.
My feet are bracing.
Proceed 2 miles on the current road.
Always sucks to put the tent away damp and windy. And super windy. We are amazed that we got that done. Of course, hopefully nice weather is coming weekend so we can set it all up right now.
Set it up and check if there's snow. Nice view.
Holy crap. That's good. Say bye-bye to Black Lake. Bye-bye, Black Lake.
Adios, Black.
Days fought this war a million ways.
On our way home.
On the way home?
For how many hours?
3.5 hours left.
3.5 hours.
Rainy day.
I think we just ran when they were sleeping and then early. It's really warm in the
Yeah. Not wanting to get out.
yeah.
So the exit. Lumpy bridge is coming up.
It's really cold and wet.
Yeah. Just over an hour before it gets Lumpy bridge is an hour.
Who gives a breath to me and pulls me in? See it all so clear somehow. I wouldn't be where I am now if I could.
Allerton Road. We're almost home. Like 1 minute. Is this over now? Home sweet home.
You have arrived at your destination. Route guidance. Thank you.
All the hard times only bring me closer, only bring me closer to you. So let the hard times come and work me over.
My cherry tomatoes got dried out. But still plenty of ripe. But the leaves got dried out. I watered this before we left for camping. So got plenty there. Poor tomatoes. Malunggay. Still have grown. Pretty hibiscus.
Bring me closer, only bring me closer to you. Let the hard times come and work
Subscribe
me
now.
over. I'll keep my composure.